Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here today to share layout number 5 in my counterfeit kit challenge series that I'm doing this week. I created a kit at the first of the month, and this week I am creating a layout every day to share with you guys. Today I chose a sketch to start off with, and it is this one from February 2021, and it's page maps. And you can see it has 3 photos. It has a couple of different patterns up here to create the top border, as well as this little border strip, and then it's got a place for a journal, and then several embellishment little spots there. So I pulled my 3 photos. I have the larger one, and these 2 I'm going to cut down to smaller sizes. And then I pulled in this cardstock that I had added into the kit, and it's just one of those with the 2-tone to it, or almost watercolor feel. I pulled in this scrap. I want to get this used up, and then I pulled this to make that scalloped edge. I'll run this through my die cutter probably to create that, or pull out a punch to create it. I pulled in a ton of embellishments. These cut aparts that I have previously cut things out of, I'm going to try and use some of that. This is off the cut apart sheet from, oh, this was the Dearest collection. I cut that from there. And then this is a pocket page card from the Lindsay collection, Felicity Jane. I pulled in these alphabets from Freckled Fawn, and I have used these multiple times, but I do have 3 sheets here. I pulled these washi strips. Hopefully I'm going to be able to use some more of these up. I pulled in these chipboard hearts because I'm going to continue to try and use these up. I would rather use them than get rid of them. You know what I mean? I pulled this to be part of my title, and I may be able to get those little flowers used up. And then of course I pulled in my sticker sheets because, you know, I have them. So I might as well try and get some use out of them. So that's everything that I have pulled right now. Plus I have a whole selection here of enamel dots, of puffy stickers, of epoxy hearts, little candy dots from Stampin' Up. I have washi tape. I have all kinds of things, little bows and sequins. I have a ton of stuff here to use, so I'll pull any of that in as I go along. But anyway, I'll show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to share the layout that I create. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 5. Here's my sketch. You will have seen it already, and this one called for 3 photos, and I did use 3 photos. This piece of paper that I used was a scrap, so I still have some left, as was this paper. It was a scrap, and I have some left. Those will go back into my stash. Now this paper I did not use, or this sticker sheet I did not use at all. This sticker sheet I did use the little bugs, bees off from this sheet, so I got some use out of that. This is a cut apart that I cut off that one from Dearest, and I didn't end up using it on this layout. I may give it a go and see if I can use it on a different one. We'll just have to wait and see. I pulled in a pocket page card, and I used about half of it, and then I didn't end up using either of those. I did use these enamel dots. I did use the one flower and the title that I had in here. I did use a couple washi strips from here with the clouds on them. I did use this alphabet to be part of my title, and I did not use any of these. I wanted to. If I had had a small heart or a circle or something, I think I would have been able to use it, but I didn't. So here is what I have created. This is my layout, and you can see I went pretty simple. I put the green with the floral images at the top, used the border strip here, and used my scallop punch from Fiskars to create this border here. Put the washi strips along here, cut that off of the one pocket page card that I had where that was left over, used that here, used a label and then a word from Felicity Jane, and just stapled that to the other. Let me get up close where you can see that. Can you see the staples? Yeah, here and here. Popped up these floral embellishments from Felicity Jane, and then there's one of the bee stickers. Here's another bee sticker. Pop these two floral pieces up from Felicity Jane. Use this one. Here's Happy Heart is what I'm calling this. Here's another bee, and then here's another little floral cluster from Felicity Jane. So overall, I feel like I was able to use a ton of product, got the photos done, told a little story here, used these little enamel or epoxy hearts down here, and I'm calling this one good. So this is layout number 5. It's done, ready for the album. Make sure stay tuned. I will have close-ups. If you're interested in seeing the other layouts, please, you can go to my playlist for January or to the Counterfeit Kit Challenge playlist that I have on my channel as well. So either way, you can find the playlist or just look back through the videos on my channel if you're interested in seeing the others that I have created. Anyway, guys, I have a couple more layouts coming, one tomorrow, one the next day. So I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.